Hello children, today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions from class 4. So, let's start. The first question is, a bus from Firozpur reached Moga according to the time depicted in the following clocks. How much time did it take to reach Moga? Children, here we have two clocks depicting the time. One is the departure from Firozpur and other is arrival at Moga. So children, we will see in the first clock what is the time here. Here is 5:20 and in the next one the time is 6:30. So children, to calculate the time taken by bus to reach at Moga, we will see these both clocks carefully. Children, in the first clock, the timing is 5:20. In this way, by reaching at 6:20, it will take the time of 1 hour. In this way, there are 10 minutes more. So, it becomes 10 minutes. Children, we can solve this problem like this. Here we have hours and minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes and 5 hours 20 minutes. Now we can subtract and we will get 1 hour 10 minutes. So children, this is the time taken by the bus. Children, let's see from the given options which option is correct. Here option A, 1 hour 20 minutes, incorrect. B, 1 hour 40 minutes, again incorrect. C, 2 hours 10 minutes, no. Now option D, 1 hour 10 minutes. Yes, this is the correct option because we have calculated this time. Next question is, given below are two clocks, how much time will our hand take to reach 5 from 3? So children, in the first clock, the short hand is at 3 and it becomes at 5. Now we have to calculate the time taken by the hand to reach at 5. Children, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, by moving from 3 to 4, it takes 60 minutes. And for the next move, that is from 4 to 5, it will take more 60 minutes. So, 60 plus 60, it becomes 120 minutes. So, children, let's see the options and find the correct one. Now, option A, it's 60 minutes. No, it's incorrect. Option B, 120 minutes. Yes, because we have calculated this time. So, let's put a tick here. Now, the next question is, how will the following time be shown on a 12-hour clock? Children, here we have been given the time according to 24 hours clock and we have to change it into 12 hours clock. It's 14:25. Children, to calculate the time according to 12-hour clock, we will subtract 12 hours from the given time. Now we will subtract 12 hours from 14:25 and we get 2 hours 25 p.m. because it's the time after 12 hours. That's why we will put p.m. Before the 12 hours, we will put a.m. So children, let's see the correct option. Is it option A, 2:25 a.m.? No. 14:25 a.m.? That is again incorrect. 2:25 p.m. Yes, this is the correct one. So children, let's put a tick here. Now it's time for homework. Children, you have to revise all these questions that we have discussed today and write them in your notebook. Thank you.